promotion on Bybit. Learn how to maximize your earnings. Increase your earnings through link promotion. Unlock the full potential of Bybit. Step 1. Log into your Bybit account. Step 2. Navigate to the promotions section. Share your promotional link on social media platforms. Engage with your audience and drive traffic. Use Bybit's analytics tools to track link performance. Analyze data to optimize your promotional strategy. Identify and overcome challenges in link promotion. Implement strategies to mitigate risks. Explore additional resources for further learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Start promoting your link on Bybit today. Maximize your earnings and achieve financial success.